Hi guys, I'm going to work the problems in lesson 4.3 for you in case you're having any trouble. In the first problem, we are asked to graph the line with slope -2 passing through the point -5 and -5. And so I'm actually going to just find that point, -5, -5. So if I go over -5, it's like here, and then down -5. So it's right here. And then what I'm going to do is use that slope. -2, rise over run means I am going down because it's -2, and then I'm going to run 1. So I'm going to go down 2, run 1, down 2, run 1, like that, and then I'll put a line through it. So let me just go back to the question and do that. I believe I can just grab this line, put this first point here, hopefully that's -5, -5, and then I'm going to do that same thing down to 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, just to be sure. Looks good to me. And that's how you do it. In the next problem, it says find the line's slope and a point on the line. And what I'm just doing is I'm understanding and using this equation. It's in this form, the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. So what I'm looking at right now is a slope of 2/3. And then I have an x number right here. And this is tricky because of this minus right here. This had to be minus a -2 to get it to be +2. And so if you see a plus sign right here, you'll know that this number was -2. Okay, the negative is tricky enough, but the other tricky thing is you're going to have to remember to find the x number over here on the right side, and it goes first. Then go to this side and find your y number. So it says -3, and the minus is already in the formula, and so I'm just going to take out the 3 like that. So in effect, the numbers are going to be exactly the opposite of what you're seeing. So if it says +2, you put -2, and if it says -3, you put a +3. So I have a slope of 2/3 and a point of -2, 3. So let's go back and enter that. Slope is 2/3 and the point is -2, and the y is 3. So that's my point, my slope. That's why the formula is called point slope formula. The third one says that I have a line that passes through the point 9 and -1 and has a slope of 2/3. So I am just going to use my formula again. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And it says that I can put this in point slope form, so I'm just going to use this. I don't have to rearrange it at all, and I'm going to put the numbers in the right places. So I have y minus -1. So see how I just took the -1 out of the y place and I plug it in here. I keep this minus and I keep the negative that's on that number. The slope, it told me, is 2/3. I put that where the m is, and then I'm going to say x minus, then I go get my x number, which happens to be 9. So I have y minus a -1. We don't usually leave anything like that because it's plus a positive. So we'll have y plus 1 equals 2/3 times x minus 9. Let me see if I can remember that. Y plus 1 equals 2/3 times x minus 9. Okay, then I just give a double check that the y is in the right place, and x is in the right place. Check my answer, and that does it. So hopefully those go pretty well for you, and have a happy Thanksgiving.